In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a really easy paper angel costume for Christmas tree decoration. So as many of you guys know, the festival of Christmas is coming up and many of you guys would have started buying Christmas trees and decorating your house. So I thought of making this really cool craft. So this is a really easy way of making a paper angel dress, and you can just hang like a small thread over here at the top, and you can use it as a cute Christmas tree ornament or decoration, and you can hang it, or else you can make like more costumes like this. Then you can tie it in a thread, then you can use it as a wall hanging or like a cute wall decor or everything. So this will be a really easy and cute craft to do for Christmas. So that's any first delay. Let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make this really easy cute angel dress. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So now let's get started. So first we're just going to be taking which color we want. So for example, this one I took light blue. And I made a small rose over here for a decoration out of red paper. I'm going to be repeating the same step, but instead of blue, I'm going to be taking 2 pink pieces of paper. So first we're going to be using square pieces of paper of any color you want. So make sure that both the colors are the same so that the output will be nice, because if you use different colors, then one half will be different and one half will be different. That won't be good, so that's what I'm saying. So where it's going to be now, I'm going to keeping one paper aside and I'm going to taking one piece of paper like this. So now we're going to be making a Japanese fan out of this. So I've already posted a video on my channel about how to make a paper Japanese fan. So if you guys feel like this is kind of hard, you can visit that video for more information. So first we're going to be folding this paper a little bit like this. So after that we're going to be turning it and we're going to be folding it in the opposite direction. So we're going to be repeating the same step like this on both the sides of the paper until the last. So make sure that these small strips are really small, because if they're big then the output won't be nice. So we're just going to be doing that slowly like this. So now we've completed, and we have one more thing to do. So now we've completed with this. So the next step we're going to be doing is that we're going to be folding this a little bit at the top part like this over here. So once we fold it, we'll be having a small like hand over here that we've got. So we're just going to be keeping this, and now we're going to be repeating the same step in the opposite side on the next piece of paper as well. So make sure that the size of the small strips are equal on both the pieces of paper to get nice output, because if they're different then the output won't be good. So we're going to be repeating it slowly like this. So if you guys want to measure the paper and do it, because if at last if the size doesn't fit, then we can do some cuttings and make it perfect. But if you don't have scissor with you, then you have to do it perfectly. So now we're just going to be folding it the correct size that we folded for the other piece of paper over here. And now we're going to be keeping it close and seeing if the size matches with it. So now we're going to be turning this piece of paper over here. Then we're going to be keeping it on this side. So as you see, now we'll be having a beautiful cute dress over here. So now we're going to be taking a glue bottle and we're going to be applying some glue over here on this part. So I'm just going to be applying some glue gently like this. So once we complete this, we're going to be taking this part and we're going to be sticking it close to it over here like this. So now we can leave it open and our beautiful dress will be ready. So after that, we can open these small hands over here that we already had. You can just open it like this. So if you guys want, you can take like a small thread and you can tie it over here on the back part to make this part more secure. But it's not compulsory, you have to do that. So now we can wait for a while until this piece gets nice and dry. So after we complete this, we move on to the next important step, which is decoration. As you see, for this dress, I used a small flower over here, rose flower. So you guys can repeat the same step if you want, or else you can use a small bow or anything. So after you do that, just fold this paper a little bit like this and open it so that the hand will be nice and fluffy like this. So in this video, I'm teaching you guys both the ways, like how to do a bow or the rose flower. So first we'll start with the rose flower. So for that, I'm just going to be taking a rectangular piece of paper over like this, and we're going to be cutting it into a small circle. So you guys can take any color that matches with the dress you're doing. I'm going to take red, as roses will be mostly red. So if you guys want, you can use like different flowers to do it. So now we cut out a small circular piece of paper, so it doesn't have to be a perfect circle. It's fine if it's kind of oval as well. So now we're just going to be cutting through this circle like this, gently over here. So I've already posted a video on my channel about how to make a really easy paper rose flower. So if you guys haven't visited that video yet, don't forget to visit. So now we've completed cutting it, and as you see, we'll be having like a spiral roll like this. So the next step we're going to be doing is that we're going to be opening from the next side over here, and we're going to be rolling this rose gently. So this is really a kind of hard step. So if you guys feel like, if you're a small child and if you feel like this is kind of hard, you guys can do the bow instead of doing this, or else you can ask your parents help for doing this. So you just have to roll it gently like this until the last piece over here. just have to keep rolling it over here like this. And now at last you'll be having a cute rose like this. And now at the back you can have like you have a remaining part over here. You can just glue that inside, like you can apply some glue and you can glue that part inwards as well. Now we can press on it, and after we complete this, our cute rose will be ready. So now I'm just going to be pressing it from the opposite direction to get the small rose part over here. So once we complete this, you guys can take it and you can glue it over here onto the dress, and it will be a really cute rose here as well. So I'm not going to be gluing it because I'm teaching you guys how to do the bow as well. If you feel like this is hard, you can even try that. So for that, I'm going to be taking another small piece of paper like this. Now we're taking this piece of paper and we're going to be cutting it into a perfect square over here. So now we're going to be opening it, and now we're going to be folding it now in the opposite direction like this to form a diagonal part over here. So now we'll be having like a small triangular part cut out. So we're just going to be cutting that gently like this. So since we folded it in both diagonals, we'll be having totally 4 rectangles formed. We're going to be cutting one rectangle over here. In such a way, we'll get a piece of paper like this. So the next step is that we're going to be cutting it to the center part. So you're not supposed to cut it completely. We're supposed to leave a little bit of space over here on both the directions. So we're just going to be repeating it gently like this. So the next step we're going to be doing is that we're going to be taking these 2 parts over here, and we're going to be folding it to the middle point like this on both the sides. So for that, I'm just going to be applying some glue in the center part of the paper over here. And now we're going to be taking some glue and we're going to be sticking this piece gently like this on both the sides over here. So once we press it, we're supposed to leave some time for it to dry, because if it does not dry properly, then the output won't be good. So I've already posted many videos in my channel about how to make paper bows, and I've also posted many crafts using bows. So if you guys haven't visited that videos, don't forget to visit it. So now we're just going to be applying some glue over here on this part as well. Then now I'm taking this piece and we're going to be sticking it over here. So once we complete this, our bow will almost be ready. So now we'll be having a triangle over here. We're just going to be cutting it into another small triangle like this, so that we get a paper bow like this. So now our bow is also ready, and now we can take the cloth that we already made. Then you can stick this bow over here onto it. So I'm just going to be doing a little bit of cuttings to it to make it more perfect. So as you see, the shape won't be perfect. So we're going to be cutting it over here on all the sides gently like this, and over here. And in the middle, I'm just going to be applying some glue to make give it like a bow effect. It's not compulsory, you guys have to do this step. If you have like any small marble or like a small bead, you can even use it to stick at the center. So now we're going to be applying some glue to the center of the dress we made. Now we're going to be sticking this over here like this. So you guys can give it some time to dry. I'm taking the cap of the glue box and I'm pressing on it to give it some more force to dry. So after we complete this, our really easy paper angel dress or angel costume for our Christmas tree ornament is ready. So it'll be really easy craft to do and also be really fun to do as well. So most of you will use like small balls or other decorations to decorate your Christmas tree. So I've already posted many videos in my channel for that as well. So if you want more Christmas crafts or more Christmas ornaments, don't forget to check out my Christmas playlist for more Christmas crafts. And if you want me to post any more Christmas ornaments that you want, you can comment that in the comment box below. I'll see your comments and respond to them as soon as possible. So I will teach you guys how to hang it in the Christmas tree. So you can take like any remaining piece of paper. So for example, if you have like the small or rectangular piece of paper, you can apply some glue over here on the top part of the dress. You can stick it, and now you can fold it and you can stick it on this top part of the dress, so it will be like this in the shape. So you just I don't have the remaining piece of paper right now. If you have it, you can just like apply some glue on inside this part and on inside this part, and after you apply it, you'll be having like a big hanging part, and now you can hang it in the Christmas tree. And you can make it more prettier, and you can if you want, you can roll like a piece of clay to get a small spear shape. Then you can stick that on the top part over here to make a real angel, and you can add more clay decorations, and you can do more faces and everything, and you can design it as you like. So after we complete this, our really easy Christmas ornament is ready. So don't forget to try this out. It will be really easy and cool craft to do, and also be really fun to do. And most Christmas trees will be full of balls and everything, and this will be a really unique idea to do. And you can use different colors of paper, and you can use Christmas colors and make your tree more beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So if you have any doubts on my videos, don't forget to comment that in the comment box below. If you have any suggestions about what I should post on my channel, you can definitely comment that as well. I'll see your comments and respond to them as soon as possible. And don't forget to check my Christmas playlist as well for more Christmas videos. And I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Thank you for watching. Bye.